Hello everyone, this is TBM and we are your friends, and today we are going to be talking about short-sighted and long-sightedness. Now I know you might, as hearing this, you might wonder, what am I going to talk about this time? What is this guy talking about? What is he saying? Yes, short-sightedness and long-sightedness. Now this is what I mean. You can be long-sighted in business by only focusing on the future, what you're going to gain and the future, how the future of the business is going to be, and forget about the now. Or you can be short-sighted in the business, thinking about just the now, how much you're going to make now, and forget about the future. So you can be both. You can be any of them. You can be short-sighted or long-sighted, and you can be both. You can be both at the same time. It is detrimental if you are short-sighted alone. It is also detrimental if you are long-sighted alone, because you end up feeling, if you are only one, you need to be both. You need to have the long-term picture of that business, that goal, that idea. I need to have a short-term picture of that business, that goal, that idea. You can actually set a long goal, a vision, have a vision, then carve out your mission from it. Then from your mission, you carve out goals. In that way, you know that this is where you are going to, and this is where you have to get to right now, and this is where you are right now. So you have taken care of your short-sightedness and your long-sightedness all put together, and then you grow. But when you focus only on the now, you end up failing. When you focus only on the future, you end up failing, because you have to go through now to get to the future. That's the truth. To get to the future, you have to go through now. You have to succeed now in what you're doing before you can get to the future. And if you focus only on now, you might only succeed now, and at the end, when the company goes beyond your control, you will not be able to do anything, and the country will end up failing. So in both ways, you can end up failing. But when you focus on both, you will be successful. So don't be short-sightedness or long-sightedness, be both. Put the two together. This is TBM and we're your friends. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and also click the bell icon. Do have a nice day.